What do you have? So it's not a bad hand, actually. Hey, where's Nick?
Probably terrorizing the local wildlife.
Oh, well, we probably shouldn't eat without him.
Well, this is going to take a few hours, so if he's not back by the time it's done, he's dead.
Oh, ooh, hey, who wants to have a fire while we wait for supper?
Yes, that sounds amazing.
Yes. Babe?
I'm still a little bit chilly, so I'm gonna go take a bath.
No.
I'll come join you guys after.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll join too when we're done prepping dinner.
Yeah. That's okay. Nomi and I can go start the fire.
Yeah, I will help with dinner when I get outside.
I'll start the oven.
Come on, sis.
Do you want to pass me my wine? Thank you.
Hey, look. It's Mom.
Aw, she must have left these before we were born. My hands are like the same size.
My hands are the same size.
Why?
I feel... You think Mom's upset that we're not spending Christmas with her?
Yeah, probably.
You talked to Dad recently?
Yeah, a few days ago he asked us to reconsider. Ugh, these won't do, they're all wet from this.
Why didn't you tell me Dad called?
I'm not an answering service. Plus, you said you wanted to come with me.
No, I know. I know I didn't want to go. Besides, Stephanie probably would have been there anyway. Just fucking suck.
Hey, look, let's just not mention her or Mom or Dad, okay?
Well, why don't you ever want to talk to me about it?
Tommy, I've talked about it to death, okay? I just need a break from it. Mom calls me nonstop and then Dad just drops by so that they can complain about each other to me.
Yeah, but every time I bring it up, you change the subject.
Thomas, seriously, just drop it, okay?
Fine.
Okay, why don't you call them then? If you want to talk about it so badly, then you can be the one to listen to their shit for once.
You know, maybe you should have brought a big wooden cross with you. Maybe then your stay would have been a little more comfortable.
Oh, maybe you should get in the car and leave then. Where the hell are you going?
Find more wood.
Hello? Tommy? Is that you? Hello?
It's just me. I don't know, I took a hike and then I lost track of time and I got pretty spooked. It's really creepy out there. I'm truth be told, I am a little stoned. Do you want some?
No thanks, I gotta go find fucking Thomas.
Out there?
Yeah.
Oh. Take this.
Ah, thanks. Hey, can you go get the others and get the fire going? I'll be back in a little bit.
Sure.
Thanks.
Thanks for your help.
Yeah, no problem. So, I guess Nomi must have said something earlier.
Only that it was a mess and that it was over.
Sounds about right.
And, how do you feel about that?
Well, things could be worse.
Is that so?
I think so.
Me too.
Hey, I'm gonna go dry my hair and I'll be right out to help.
Yeah, sure thing. Whoops.
Hey. So Nomi is looking for Tommy out in the woods. So can you guys put your jackets on and go start the fire? Oh, I'm cold as fuck, so I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, where is Thomas?
I don't know. Looking for wood or something.
Yeah, sure. Come on, Casey.
Okay, let's get this started.
Or we could take this opportunity to get something else started.
Maximilian. You dog.
I don't hear you protesting.
Well, you're right about that. Nomi! Nomi, are you around? Nomi?
I guess not.
Only place on Earth not covered by the last ice age. Makes you think, doesn't it? Maybe there's another one around the corner.
Tommy! 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 Where are you? Tommy, quit fucking around. Thomas? Where are you? Did you get lost?
I'm over here!
Is that you?
Bring me that flashlight!
Tommy, can you please stop being stupid and come back to the cabin with me?
Here, grab some of these.
How did you even see out here?
Well, I had this stick that I lit. I dropped it.
Okay, well, I'm glad you're done having a pout.
Hey, I'm not having a pout.
Tommy! What was that?
What?
What was that? Oh, shh.
It's Nomi! It's Nomi! It's Nomi! Shit!
Nomi!
Nomi! Nomi! Where are you? Where are you? Tommy! Tommy! Nomi! Nomi!
okay? Gotta stick with us, okay?
I'm here.
You have to take a look at your arm, please. Nick, go get me some scissors so we can.
Where is it? Where
Now, Nicholas! Throw me some of that gauze. Here you go. No, babe, no. You're gonna be just fine. Look at me. Look at me. I promise.
Tommy! It's okay. I have to go check on Thomas.
Wait. Nomi! Nomi, are you okay?
Tommy, I need to know what he's doing.
Oh, if I can't.
Come on!
Is it bad? Is it bad?
Don't.
Holy fuck.
Don't.
Is it bad?
Tommy! Hey, I need you to look at me, alright? Okay. You're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright. I promise. I promise. Okay? Okay. Keep looking. Breathe out. Just breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Just breathe. Just breathe.
Oh no!
Look at me.
Okay. Holy shit!
Keep it coming. Here, take these, okay? I'm gonna get you some water.
We need to get him to the hospital. Maybe you get him in the car.
We cannot go back out there. We'll all be ripped to shreds, okay? Let me call someone.
Oh. I'm gonna fix it. You're gonna be okay, I promise. I promise. I promise.
Please take this to Thomas. Sit down.
No, we have to call someone. Are all the doors locked?
Yes, I locked all the doors, but just sit down and put your foot up.
No, I have to go help Thomas.
Samantha is helping Thomas. Just sit. Casey, can you please come try the phone?
Yeah, I'm coming! Wait, what the fuck is this, an owl? It's dead. What, it's dead? What do you mean? What do you mean it's dead? No.
What do you mean? It's dead. What do you mean? It's fucking dead, Casey. It's dead. What do you mean?
Just fucking calm down!
That is incredibly helpful, Max.
What's going on, Thomas?
Sam's got his arm wrapped up and she's trying to get him to drink some water. Did you call 911?
No, look at this!
I saw a radio. A radio in the monitor.
Have you ever used one of these before?
Yeah, I used them when I hunted. Hello? Is anyone out there? We're trapped in a cabin in Cyprus. Over. SOS, we are requesting assistance in Cyprus. We have 2 wounded. Over.
God, please, is anyone there?
Oh, this is Hank the Tank. What's going on? Over.
Hi, thank you. Oh my God, we're trapped in a cabin in Cyprus, and this